This is just a quick 2-month update on the iJDM 4th brake light mod that I installed on Mike's TC. He messaged me saying it wasn't getting bright when it was hitting the brakes. Upon closer inspection, we can see most of the LEDs are no longer working. The plastic on the bulb is also cracked from heat. If not for the fact that the cover appears to be glued in place, I would have thought it would be removed upon installation. I had to force the bulb to get it out of the socket. No decent quality bulb should look like this after only 2 months of use. Fortunately for Mike, I still have my spare JDM Star 7444 bulb. Now, I haven't had much luck with their other bulbs, but this one seems to be holding up well for me. This is why I like designs with a few high-powered LEDs with a large heatsink. Installation is a breeze. If it doesn't light up, the bulb might be polarized, so you just need to flip it around. Also, if it turns on but doesn't get brighter when hitting the brakes, you may need to reverse the 2 positive wires on the harness. That is clearly much brighter than the bulb it came with. My recommendations are to just order a new 7444 bulb if you get this kit. I'll put a link to this one in the video description below. I hope this helps you out if you have issues with your 4th brake light bulb. Again, if you install a new bulb and it doesn't light up, rotate it 180 degrees, and if it doesn't get brighter when hitting the brakes, switch the 2 positive wires on the harness. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.